Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Hello and welcome back to another video. This is Norma Acosta with Momis DIYs, and today I want to share with you a project that I've been working on. So this is what we're going to be doing today. I don't know if you can see, like, I used 3 different colors, and the reason for these wine glasses is because my husband's family is coming from El Paso, Texas to California for Thanksgiving. So I want to send them home with the little memento. So I'm making these. I have sold these in the past, and I sell them for $13 each, or I can give them a deal if they want 4 or more. Okay, so that's how much I sell them for, just in case you want to use them to sell. Or I usually go $12.95 or $12.99. So I'm going to be using these three different colors. That, believe it or not, I got these at the dollar store because I'm barely starting to promote these as a business. I haven't bought a lot, but I also got these. This is from the dollar store. But I think once my business in this size starts booming, then I can probably get the big containers. So I got these because I'm going to be doing some for the quinceañera. So I got this. And we're going to be doing this glass. And you also need a ruler. You need a marker, not a permanent marker, something that you can easily erase. You need some blue tape. This is painter's tape. You need, just in case, you need some scissors, and you need 2 different tools where you can pick at it if there's a little mistake. Okay. Also, I'm going to be putting the name of each of the family members on the glass. I'm not going to be showing that on this one because I already did 2 classes, 2 videos on how to etch words on glass. This is one I did for the bride. They're going to come and pick them up before the end of the week. So just like that, I'm going to be putting their name, and they're going to be able to take it home, okay? The glasses that we are going to use, I use these glasses a lot for different reasons. I usually go on Dollar Tree website, and I order them by the box, and I have them shipped to my closest dollar store. Okay, so these are the ones we're going to use. Once we put the tape, you need to clean it with either 70% or more alcohol, or you need to use nail polish remover. Otherwise, sometimes with the fingerprints, when you spray the chemical and when you put the glitter on it, it doesn't stay. Okay, so I'm not going to use the Mod Podge because I really like this thing that I've been using lately. So I put a coat of it, but you need to do it outside. I put a coat of it and it dries within 5 minutes. Then I put my second coat and I can go ahead and finish it up and put like a nice layer over it, 1 or 2 layers over it, okay? So that's very nice to do. So right now what we're gonna be doing to start, we're gonna be measuring, you're gonna be measuring 2 things. You're gonna be measuring from here, see how the glass has this little thing on top. Okay, so from right here, you're going to measure 1.5 inch. Okay, so you can use either a ruler, any kind of ruler that you feel comfortable with. So you're just going to go 1.5, and you're going to go around. Here it is. So now what we're going to be doing, you can do it in little pieces or in one big piece. We're going to be putting the tape. I like to do little pieces at a time, but whatever works for you, that is fine. So we're going to go ahead and put the tape right on the line. And we're gonna go around, but you just need to fix it. The important thing is that your line is nice and straight. That's the most important thing. So there it is. So once you have it there, you can just cut the little part that is sticking out. Make it even. There you go. And you can go ahead and erase the line. Okay. So from here, you're going to go another 1.5. So there it is, your lines all around. So let's go ahead and put the tape on it. Again, I'm going to go with small pieces. Okay, here we go. Now what we're going to do, we're going to find either paper or whatever is easier for you to protect these areas. Because what we're going to be using, this spray can get all over the place. So you need to protect the areas where you do not want any of the glitter or any of that glue. So basically you're just going to cut a piece however you can. And you're going to go ahead and do the bottom part and cover it. Just like so. It has to be below the tape. And then you can just kind of secure it with a piece of tape. Just one piece of tape across. And there it is, the bottom part. So now we're going to do the same thing with the top part. So here's already, so we need to go, now we need to head outside to go ahead and spray it. Welcome back. We are outside because this is very strong and it needs to be done outside. And here's the glass already finished. I put the name Peter, and I'm gonna be putting the name in all 6 wine glasses. So I'm gonna be using again this silver, this more like coppery, and this brown. Okay, so I have 3 different sheets so we don't mix the colors. I already have my glass completely covered, so I'm just gonna be doing, depending on how fast you can work, you can do little bit at a time or spray it all, however it works for you. So we basically are going to spray. I'm gonna just spray a part of it, and I'm gonna put the one color. Here's another color. And here's another one. Take your time, don't rush. So we're going to do that to all of them. I'm only gonna put like on the spots that got dry. This thing dries really quickly, but I really like it because it just, I could not work with the Mod Podge. Okay, so here it is, one coat. We're gonna let it dry a little bit. I let it dry for about 3 minutes. So here we go again, doing the same process again for the second time. I'm gonna do 2 colors at a time so that the acrylic doesn't dry at me. And usually you just need 2 coats of the glitter. We have 2 coats of it. You know, guys, if you want to learn how to price your items, you need to determine how much do you want to pay an hour, how much do you want to pay yourself an hour. Then you add that to the time that you worked, and then you add all the things that you used, okay? And then you come out with the price. I pay myself between, depending on how hard the job is, between $15 and $17 an hour. And when that doesn't work for me, I just add all the items at retail price, because there's some items that you're not going to be able to get at retail price. So you add all your items and then you calculate them, and that's how you get the price, okay? For instance, this glass was 99 cents. I will probably put this as $4 for the glass, plus all the glitter and everything that you use. So everything is multiplied by 3 or 4, okay? Sometimes I like one form of calculating the price, and sometimes I like another one. Another thing, these two are not the same if you look at them, because these are going to different people. If somebody was ordering me a set of 4, I will try to make them as much as I can. I will try to make them similar, okay? But now you can wait until this thing dries, but I usually just take off the tape, the coverings, as soon as I'm done. That has worked for me, okay? But you need to find the way that works for you. So I'm looking for the side where I can take it off. Here it is. So I just did this one so you can see that the name is there. I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna do the step of the name, because I have 2 videos where I did etching, and I'm gonna put the link above here. Also, you guys, I'm gonna put the links of all the items where I bought them. See, it's coming right off. I'm gonna put the links on the description below of all where I got all the items. And if you guys found that you benefited from the content of my videos, I will appreciate it if you can like them, if you can share them, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that button, subscribe, click on the all, on the bell, click on the all, so you can get an email every time I make a video. And that's how it is, you guys. Look at how beautiful it looks. I'm gonna shake it a little more. Here we are. Here you have it. If you want, before you uncover it, you can put a full coat of this on top of it, so that it retains the glitter better. Right before you cover it, you just go around and put some of this stuff, and here it is, okay? For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well, and I pray and I declare health, prosperity, and love in your life and all your family. See you next time.